Tesla has transformed the automotive industry. However, it faces challenges with reliability, placing low in long-term dependability due to issues with build quality and software stability. High recall rates for safety-critical problems, such as braking malfunctions and power steering failures, raise significant concerns regarding Tesla's quality control and manufacturing consistency. Despite its impressive performance and constant innovation, Tesla vehicles exhibit considerable risks, with frequent repairs and diminishing battery performance, undermining their premium pricing and reliability. In contrast, Mazda's Skyactiv technology uniquely blends fuel efficiency with durability, steering clear of turbocharged engines that tend to wear out more quickly. This innovative system significantly boosts the overall longevity of their vehicles. Mazda owners commonly report greater satisfaction and fewer long-term issues compared to more mainstream brands, particularly impressive given that Mazda often competes with established names like Honda, Toyota, and Nissan. The brand's commitment to high-quality materials and precision assembly guarantees that even their less expensive models are well-crafted, further cementing Mazda's reputation for durability. On the other hand, many Hyundai and Kia models suffer from severe engine problems, leading to catastrophic failures and serious safety concerns, particularly with the widely reported issues surrounding the Theta 2 engine. These brands have issued numerous recalls affecting millions of vehicles. However, repairs often prove ineffective, leaving consumers frustrated with ongoing failures, especially among some more recent models which continue to show persistent quality concerns. Consequently, Hyundai and Kia's overall reputation adversely affects resale values, even for well-maintained vehicles, as potential buyers frequently hesitate due to the brand's troubled history and ongoing reliability issues. In contrast, Toyota's hybrid models, such as the Prius, are paragons of reliability, offering low maintenance costs and exceptional longevity, with many owners reporting over 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. Lexus further distinguishes itself in the luxury market through a focus on practicality and dependability, ensuring that each vehicle undergoes rigorous quality testing to achieve optimal performance. Customer satisfaction plays a vital role in Lexus's success, consistently ranking high in owner surveys, driven by a reputation for dependable and comfortable vehicles that foster brand loyalty. Meanwhile, the 8-speed automatic transmission in Chrysler and Dodge models has gained notoriety for hard shifts and failures, significantly impacting long-term durability for many owners, especially in models like the Dodge Charger and Chrysler 300. Moreover, electrical problems such as faulty infotainment systems and unexpected shutdowns present serious safety risks for Chrysler and Dodge drivers, contributing to the overall perception of unreliability associated with these brands. Chrysler and Dodge's lack of innovation in safety and technology features places them at a disadvantage against competitors like Toyota and Honda, as their vehicles often come equipped with outdated systems and materials, diminishing market competitiveness. In contrast, consumer feedback highlights that Buick vehicles provide a quiet and smooth driving experience, making them well-suited for both long journeys and everyday commutes. Buick has also modernized its lineup by phasing out outdated models and introducing sleeker designs, aligning with current consumer expectations and preferences. Ultimately, the brand's focus on quality over quantity has empowered Buick to enhance build quality and durability while refining overall performance and engineering standards.